The limitations of the traditional file system. Before the advent of SQL, data was stored and managed in traditional file systems, which had significant limitations. Retrieving specific data was a cumbersome task, as it required traversing through multiple files and records. Additionally, file systems lacked data integrity and consistency, making it challenging to maintain accuracy and reliability. Evolution of SQL, from simplicity to power. SQL was first developed in the early 1970s at IBM as a way to manipulate and query data within the newly emerging relational database model. Initially, SQL was a relatively simple language with limited functionality. However, over the years, it has evolved and matured into a powerful tool with extensive capabilities. Unpacking SQL, its function and advantages in relational databases. So, what exactly is SQL, and how does it work within a relational database? SQL is a declarative language that allows users to define and manipulate data in a structured manner. It consists of a set of commands, or queries, that are used to interact with the database. These queries can perform various operations, such as retrieving data, inserting new records, updating existing data, and deleting unwanted records. One of the primary advantages of using SQL in relational databases is its ability to handle complex relationships between data tables. SQL allows us to define these relationships and perform operations across multiple tables, enabling efficient data retrieval and analysis. SQL's advantages, standards, portability, and more. SQL offers several advantages that contribute to its popularity and widespread adoption. Firstly, SQL has well-defined standards, which ensures compatibility across different database management systems, DBMS. This means that SQL code written for one DBMS can easily be executed on another, without the need for significant modifications. Furthermore, SQL is a portable language. This means that SQL code can be run on various operating systems and platforms, making it highly versatile and accessible. Additionally, SQL provides robust security features, allowing organizations to control access to their data and enforce strict data protection policies. It also offers advanced query optimization techniques, which enhance performance and efficiency when dealing with large datasets. SQL in the real world, applications across industries. SQL finds diverse applications across industries and sectors. In finance, SQL is used to manage transactional data, generate financial reports, and support risk analysis. In healthcare, SQL is utilized to store and retrieve patient records, manage medical billing, and facilitate clinical research. SQL also plays a crucial role in e-commerce, where it is employed to handle customer orders, inventory management, and personalized marketing campaigns. Moreover, in the telecommunications industry, SQL helps manage call records, customer subscriptions, and network performance analysis. These are just a few examples of how SQL is utilized in real-world scenarios. The versatility and power of SQL make it an indispensable tool for businesses and organizations across a wide range of industries. In conclusion, SQL has come a long way from its humble beginnings and has become an integral part of modern data management. Its evolution, advantages, and real-world applications make it a fundamental skill for professionals working with databases. Whether you are a developer, a data analyst, or a business owner, understanding SQL and its capabilities will surely give you an edge in today's data-driven world. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.